There are few topics in chemistry that if you understand them, you've probably covered 50 to 65% of what you are going to come across in the JAMB examination. In this video, I'll be discussing with you 10 most repeated topics in JAMB chemistry. So stay with me. I have prepared for JAMB examination myself, or also trying to guide people, especially on science subjects and English language. For chemistry, probably for your own part, you might probably not see questions from some topics, but there are topics that a lot of time, one way or the other, you have to seek question from those topics. And those are the topics I want to discuss with you in this video. So the aim of this video is not for you not to cover the syllabus if you are capable of, let's say you have the time. But in case whereby you just want to start preparing for exam examination few months or few weeks to the examination, this might actually help for you to know what exactly are the topics you have to concentrate on for you to be able to pass the examination maybe at a very good level or probably excellently if God wishes. Without any further delay, let's go into those topics. I have the topics written down in my jotter one after the other. Don't mind me if I'm looking into it as I'm making this video. The first topic is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry seems to be like a part or a particular aspect of chemistry itself. So there is no way JAMB will not bring out questions from this particular topic. I've written JAMB whereby I came across five, six questions from only organic chemistry. Organic chemistry seems to be like the most highly repeated topic in JAMB chemistry. The whole of the questions from chemistry is 40 questions. Imagine you have 5 questions from organic chemistry and you scored everything. You should be expecting questions from subtopics like functional group, the arcane and alkyne, like alkanoids and all of them. So which will not be above the whole level syllabus. And questions on how to name organic compound, isomerism, empirical and molecular formula of organic compounds, and almost everything under organic chemistry. The second topic is atomic structure. Atomic structure of topic that form a basis or foundation for most of other topics in chemistry. So one way or the other, if you do not see question directly on the atomic structure, you will see many questions that will be linked to this particular topic. So it will go a long way to help you if you read and understand this particular topic very well. These have subtopics like electronic configuration, isotope, fundamental particles like proton, neutron, and electron, and the arrangement in the nucleus and electron shell. The third topic is periodic table and periodicity. This is a major topic in chemistry that most of the time you cannot do without having questions from it in your JAMB chemistry. You should read and understand the physical and chemical properties of elements in the periodic table, ionization, metallic characteristics, valency, ionization energy, and all of that. The fourth topic is stoichiometry and mole concept. It's a major topic in chemistry as well. Almost all candidates will see questions from this particular topic or questions that are related to this particular topic. This particular topic covered some areas of chemistry like the molar mass, and calculations that are related to them. Sociometry and mole concept is a topic that you should actually study and understand very well. The fifth topic here is chemical bonding. I can't emphasize this enough. Chemical bonding is a topic that almost every candidate will actually come across it. And if you do not come across it, you will definitely come across one or two questions that are related to it. So chemical bonding like electrovalent bond, ionic bond, octet rule, electronegativity, all these should be studied and understood very well. Before I proceed, don't forget to like this video because your like for this video will go a long way to help this video to reach a large number of people so that it can benefit them as well. The number 6 topic is chemical reaction. This covers the aspects like catalyst, rate of chemical reaction, factor affecting the rate of chemical reaction, collision, and make sure you also study the calculations under it. Topic number 7 is acid, base, and salt. Acid, base, and salt. You have to study the properties of the acid, base, and salt. Weak acid, strong acid, salt preparation, solubility rules, and other subtopics under this topic. Topic number 8 is thermochemistry. Under thermochemistry, you see subtopics like endothermic and exothermic reaction, enthalpy changes, specific heat capacity, and also don't forget to study the calculations under this topic. Topic number 9 is electrolysis, where we talk about electrolytes and non-electrolytes, cathode and anode, redox reaction, that is oxidation and reduction, etc. And also calculations related to this topic. Number 10 topic is separation technique. Most of the time, questions do come out from this particular topic. Learn about the state of matter, separation techniques, the gas law, and other subtopics under this topic. So here are the 10 topics. Don't forget to read them very well and understand. So if you are capable of covering the whole syllabus of JAMB before the examination, kindly do. It will help you to pass excellently so that you won't have to get just average or maybe 60% of the examination. So if you have to concentrate on some area, that is if you don't have time, these 10 topics will actually help. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. And also don't forget to share to other people that might benefit from it. See you in another interesting one. Bye for now.